Please tell which topic I covered, I explained last class. Anyone? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
I
Sir,
am
you taught.
asking that which topic I covered last time.
Sir, we discussed the devices for controlling that particulate matters.
Means the air pollution was covered. The air pollution removal and air pollution. Okay. So let
Yes,
me
sir.
discuss the soil pollution, soil pollution and its remedial measures. And if you see the definition of the soil, then it is a thin cover of the land surface which have the fertility or the nutrients for sustenance of the plants and the crops. So therefore, if it is very, very important, one of the natural resources, particularly for our country, because India is agriculture dominant country. And if suppose that soil is degraded, then it has impact on this you can say water and forest both, because it is interlinked. So once soil is degraded, it has a manifold effects, and as I mentioned that it has direct effects on the water quality, either it is surface water or groundwater, as well as the health of the forest and the green cover, which is indirectly responsible or directly responsible for the oxygen availability into the atmosphere. So if you link all these, then it becomes very vital resource after the air and water. The soil, if the soil fertility is lost, the economic growth is affected of the country, because agriculture dominant country as India, therefore the quality of the soil is very important. Number two, if I hope you have listened that soil health card has been issued since long to all the farmers. Soil health card कभी सुना है? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So the soil health card has been issued since long by the government of India. It means that card reflects the health of the soil of the particular agriculture field, and which also recommends about the requirement of the chemical fertilizers and the insecticides and pesticides. Means what are the constituents of the sodium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium oxides, as well as any if heavy metals is there, and then the what are the contents, other contents, biological contents in the soil. Let me share the screen and then I will deliberate in detail. Screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the
Yes, sir.
discussion? As you know that today the topic is related to the soil pollution and its remedial measures. There is a difference between the soil degradation and the soil pollution. Can anyone tell what is the difference? Anyone? Why you people are keeping mum? You are not responding well as in the other group is responding well, group A. And you need the marks, good marks. How? If you are not responding well, then I will consider that the group is not performing well. So nobody is able to reply. The simple question.
Sir,
Yeah.
soil degradation is erosion of soil due to removal of its top layer, but soil pollution is uh, mixing of pollutant in the soil.
Very good. Sure. Disintegration, maybe it is due to the physical causes only, like the erosion and weathering of the soil, through which the top layer is eroded, while the contamination is not limited to the only erosional part or the physical, you can say the properties or the mechanical agencies which are involved for the removal of the thin layer. It is not limited under the pollution. Pollution is the contamination, adsorption and absorption. Both the processes are involved, and via anthropogenic activities which like the insecticide, pesticide, use of the chemical fertilizers, then other parameters under the anthropogenic activities in the different sect through the different and the pouring down of the industrial waste, sewer waste, all these cumulatively, if you see in the cumulative way, then they are responsible for the contamination of the soil. So Bharat Kumar is correct. Then the let me I think the screen is here. Screen is visible. It is visible.
No, sir.
Note, sir.
No,
It is not visible.
no.
Note, sir.
अभी तो आपने कहा कि अच्छा खत्म कर दिया था. Okay. Now it is visible. I hope.
Yes, sir.
So the nature of pollutants in the soil, we have divided here into many subdivisions like gases, colloidal particles, suspended particles, dissolved cations, and dissolved anions in the soil. And on the other hand, if you see the left side column, then soil decomposed organic matters and soil organisms. All these are here as considered as pollutants, and nature under the gases, CO2 acts as a pollutant, then sulfur dioxide as the decomposed organic is the source for the sulfur dioxide, then ammonia, then methane and carbon dioxide, partial carbon dioxide. So here the soil organisms do not release all these gases, but here decomposition of organic matters, if it comes into the contact of the soil, then certainly these are responsible for the entrapment of these gases, which are also as a contaminant. Colloidal particles, here clay is a fine-grained, most fine-grained materials, substances, which are behaving like a colloidal particles, and the iron oxide, then aluminum oxide and magnesium oxide, all these. Then if you are coming to the organic waste materials, here under decomposed organic matter, then suspended particles, human organic waste, clay, sand and silt. Then if you are looking towards the cations, the sodium, potassium, as I mentioned in the beginning, that soil health card is issued to each farmer in the country. And in that, the constituents of all these anions and cations in the oxide forms, they are given in the percentage of the soil, particularly to the farmers. Show that on the basis of these constituents of the particular soil, the recommendation can be made related to the application or usage of suitability or suitable chemical fertilizers, insecticide and pesticides. to maintain the fertility of the soil. So this is one aspect. Then another aspect, let me, screen is visible or not? Another screen. No. This is one aspect, how the soil is getting contaminated under the different processes involved for it. So let me this is the source, system, and disposal sites. If you look towards the source, agriculture, runoff means when the I think you are very much aware that during the irrigations process, either the natural or the artificial irrigation methods, the runoff is the one component through which the chemical fertilizers is reaching on the land surface, and that is contaminating the soil. Then here the domestic and commercial waste, it is going as a garbage, then it is directly moving on the land or water bodies. It is also a source of soil pollution. Then the collection and transport and treatment plant, if it is there, then after treating it, we can leave these waste either on the land or in the water, or particularly sea. Then it will be okay after treatment. But before treatment, if you are putting here, it can create the pollution or contamination of the soil. Industrial waste, we have to recycle, enhance the recycle and recovery of the metals and other things from the waste, industrial waste, show that if you are collecting these industrial waste and after further treatment, then it becomes more, you can say, the efficiently it is treated. Rather, after treatment, it can put on the land. The nuclear waste, as you know, that the nuclear waste is we must cautious to dispose the nuclear waste in a proper way. Here, the nuclear storage and storage is very important. How we should store the nuclear waste. A specific mechanism, or you can say the procedure, is adopted for safety of the radiations from the nuclear waste. Therefore, ultra precautions are taken rather, for putting down the waste material, nuclear waste particularly. So let me come to the details of the soil pollutants and soil pollution.
Sir,
Yeah.
in this table, agricultural waste is runoff and then disposal into land.
Yeah.
What is the meaning? I mean, sir, like you said, after treatment they are after treatment
You cannot
plant.
treat the runoff in the agriculture sector. How you can treat?
Yes, sir.
It means you cannot. Therefore, in this line, where is the process of treatment is not reflected here. If you see,
yes, sir.
runoff cannot be treated because it is unregulated in the agriculture field, and it is not in the confined domain. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So therefore, it is not written here as a treatment. At the source, we can reduce here. At the source, in the agriculture sector, at source, we can reduce the applications of chemical fertilizers, insecticide, and pesticide. Yes or not?
Obviously, sir.
You got the point or not?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay. Let me soil 5.01. Yes. Methods to minimize the soil pollution. Can anyone tell what are the methods should be adopted to minimize the soil pollution? Anyone?
Minimize the use of fertilizer and pesticides.
Ji? Tell.
So minimizing the use of fertilizer and pesticides.
Okay. Anyone? Number 2, be quick. Only one aspect she has told.
Minimizing the use of plastic.
Yeah, that is there. Others?
Waste should not be dumped into the soil.
What should not be done?
The waste should not be dumped into the soil.
Acha, waste. Which type of waste?
Yes.
Either liquid or
plastic
solid.
waste,
Entire
solid
biomedical waste, solid waste, liquid waste. Paper should not be mixed with the glass or plastic which are difficult to recycle. Encouraging the people by ways of subsiding the waste. Subsiding is reducing the waste at the source. Tax exemptions are also beneficial to enhance recycling of waste. This is one important point. Can anyone tell what is meaning of it? Tax exemptions are also beneficial to enhance recycling of waste. Can you cite an example or what you understand from this sentence? I want to know. Anyone?
Sir, tax should not be charged to the industries which are performing the recyclation process.
Number 1, tax should be charged. Tax should be charged. No industry should be free from tax, but there should be reduction in the tax in the
Yes,
form
sir.
of motivation.
Minimal tax.
Yeah, but and tax exemptions are also beneficial to enhance recycling of waste. If you are living in any municipal area, we are providing the house tax and the water tax. You know. हो गया? क्या हुआ? अरे यार क्या था? हो गया भाई? इतना बढ़िया लैपटॉप चल रहा था. हाँ? ये वेट कर लो थोड़ा. So my point is, in the municipal area, we are giving the water tax and house tax. If individual or the community level, if we are going to reduce the waste either at the source or we are going to recycle it, then certainly the individual should also be given the tax rebate so that the objective of this purpose is achieved and it is successful, become successful. Okay? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Making
sir.
use of, yeah? कोई पूछ रहा था कुछ? Okay. Making use of recycled paper instead of fresh ones. For example, local administrative offices in Japan use recycled paper to initiate reuse of waste. जैसे हम लोग पेपर बहुत वेस्ट करते हैं, we use rather waste the stationery at large, so we should try to reduce it as much as possible. The ASSOCHAM का नाम सुना है? ASSOCHAM, the Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India, have highlighted the following suggestions to minimize and control of the soil pollution. It is written, whatever I am telling to you, it is from the book by of Deshwal and Deshwal. It is well written there, and certain aspects which I have shown you through, I shared the screen and explained the flow diagram. Then if conceptually you have idea, you are clear by now, then an autonomous waste management institute should be established. They have suggested the institute could advise the government, because why? Because it is a major challenge to our country, either in the recent past or today also, waste management. Either it is a solid waste or liquid waste. the waste management is a great challenge. It is a major challenge to our country. There are many reasons why it is considered as a challenge, because much more space is required, number one. Number two, emissions of the harmful gases into the atmosphere, which is again going to aggravate the problem of the atmosphere air pollution. And the third is that the waste, either coming from the industry or from the individual domestic level, they are going to pollute the land as well as the water resource. So therefore, the one is the particular autonomous waste management institute should be established. The institute could advise the government on policy issues and evolve strategies for reducing waste, protecting the water and soil, as I have mentioned already. A national policy, yes, as in the case of water, as in the case of land, as in the case of air, there is a policy, national water policy like. So the national policy on the waste management should also be there. National policy needs to be evolved on the management of the waste, particularly toxic waste. It should aim at reducing the volume of waste. Is the most important criteria. How we can reduce the volume of the waste. This is the first step, which is essentially required at an date. As on date, it is essentially required that how we can reduce the volume of the waste, show that the efficiency of the machines and the equipments involved for the recycle and reuse or for treatment of the waste is maintained, or the life of the project is achieved significantly or sustainable. Sustainable life is achieved. Are you getting the point or not?
Getting so.
Bharat Kumar?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, Harshita. You people are getting or not the meaning of the deliberations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Eco-friendly schemes and technology should be welcomed, and for that purpose, other effective measures to control the soil pollution has been evolved. Operation Cleanup, as launched by the Government of India. Okay, then the natural burn. Okay, recycling trees, utilization of night soil in India. What is the night soil in India? Water carriage system is provided only for 10% of the population. Majority of the urban and rural community is having dry conservancy system where the night soil is collected from the pale type of laboratory. Night soil thus collected is disposed of by dumping or trenching, causing soil pollution and spreading chronic disease. It means the soil which has been polluted, that has to be removed, that has to be treated, so that in future we can have the you can say the non-contaminated water beneath the soil surface, as well as the water which is moving on the soil surface, that is also not contaminated. And my other things, what are the pathogens which are generally occur in the soil? Can anyone tell which type of bacteria or pathogens which are occurring or living in the soil? Amisha?
Sir, fungus,
So the-
usually a lot of fungus is present and nitrogen fixing bacteria are present.
Nitrogen fixing bacteria is different than fungus. Amisha?
Sir, there are different, I think they are different, I'm not sure.
It is different, totally different.
So these are present in the soil.
Okay. Now, the pathogens like, if I tell you by name, Salmonella chlorosis, lice, hookworm, mosquitoes, Anopheles mosquitoes, all these are present, or they are living either at the surface of the soil, or they are having the habit or home in the soil. So, and they are responsible for diseases like chronic fever, typhus, skin diseases, urban yellow fever, malaria, like this. So it is the diseases is also born, soil-borne diseases, like water-borne disease, you know very well. Similarly, soil-borne disease is also there, which I had just mentioned. Effect of modern, then the effects of industrial pollutants, effects of the soil pollution. Can anyone tell what are the effects of the soil pollution?
Sir, if
Effects
it
of the
affects
soil.
the fertility.
Pardon, Harshita?
Sir, it affects the fertility.
Number one. Number two, it is better if we discuss in category, different category, the impact of the soil pollution or effects of the soil pollution. What is the meaning of it? What I have just said means head wise, category wise, like effects of the industrial pollutants, effect of the urban waste, effects of the radioactive pollution, effects of the modern agro technology. अगर इसके हेड में हम अंदर these heads or these you can say the components or heads we are going to discuss our category, then certainly you can elaborate at length. अदरवाइज ऐसे तो सोचते रह जाएंगे. एक ने बताया कि जैसे सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी लॉस हो जाती है, और कुछ कोई दूसरा बता देगा, लेकिन इसमें अगर आप करेंगे तो दो दो तीन तीन पॉइंट हर से मिल जाएंगे. जैसे इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट पोल्यूशन, क्या हो सकता है पॉल्यूशन, आप बताइए. इफ यू आर नोइंग व्हाट इज द इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन, देन यू कैन रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट ऑन, थ्रो द लाइट ऑन इट. आपसे मैं पूछ रहा हूं, एनीवन, इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूटेंट्स ऑन द सॉइल क्या होगा?
सर सॉइल का कलर चेंज होगा.
नंबर वन, ठीक है, फिजिकल कंटामिनेशन हो गया, कलर चेंज हो गया. और
So the quality of the soil.
yeah, quality of the soil is degraded by what?
Sir, it will be degraded by the chemicals that are the toxic chemicals that are released.
Chemical. You are a student of engineering. Which branch?
So EC.
Very good, EC. So if you have studied chemistry and you are studying as well, so if the chemicals are very big term, vast term. If you
So
recall,
by the,
yeah,
the toxic metals like chromium.
Yeah, very good. Now you are, yes. Now you are coming to the main point, and you have already told certain heavy metals. इंडस्ट्रियल क्या होता है कि इंडस्ट्रियल जो पोल्यूशन है, इंडस्ट्री के जो मैक्सिमम इंडस्ट्री के पोल्यूशन है, उसमें हैवी मेटल का कंसंट्रेशन अधिक रहता है. और जबकि डोमेस्टिक पोल्यूशन से सीवर और बैक्टीरिया और पैथोजेंस का कंट्रीब्यूशन ज्यादा होता है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट?
यस सर.
If anyone who is having the problem with a little bit Hindi, which I use or speak in between, किसी को कोई समस्या है? Anyone who is not able to understand Hindi at all? Amisha?
No, sir, I'm comfortable with Hindi.
Very good. So not only Amisha, I have asked to each and everyone that if anyone is having the problem, he can raise the hand or can speak to, just now tell to me. तो मैं क्या कह रहा था, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम लोग बाईलैंग्वेज वाले हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि हम अंग्रेजी नहीं समझ सकते, अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकते, या हिंदी नहीं समझ सकते, हिंदी नहीं बोल सकते. कभी कभी ऐसा आता है इंग्लिश के कन्वर्सेशन में कि समटाइम्स आई फील पर्सनली that if I will speak in Hindi the particular terms or the sentences, students will like it and they will perceive very effectively. तब हम उसको बोल देते हैं. या जब मुझे लगता है अपने स्वयं में कि ये चीज इंग्लिश में हम क्या कन्वे हो सकता है कि ना हो पा रही हो स्टूडेंट्स को, तब उस समय मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी यूज करता हूँ. तो अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत हो तो इमीडिएटली यू टेल. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये था कि हमने दो सेक्टर्स में इंडस्ट्रियल इफ्लुएंस को आपको बांटा, pollutants को, industrial and domestic. As Amisha has rightly answered that कि इंडस्ट्रियल जो सोर्स है वो हैवी मेटल्स का है, So soil will be degraded. As Harshita has already replied, fertility will be lost. So the effects of, and someone has also replied something. So some of the soluble salts are responsible for cost damage. These cause crops loss, soil loss, metallic corrosion, as told by the student. Effects of urban waste products. अब अर्बन वेस्ट में क्या होगा? देखिए अर्बन वेस्ट में क्या होगा? स्लज होगा, डेड एनिमल्स, स्केलेटन्स, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, गार्बेज. Okay, sewage is the good medium for the growth of pathogenic bacteria, viruses. तो sewage तो main है. Then the effects of the radioactive pollutants, although it is limited, but it is very vulnerable. So the radiation, as you know, that iron 55, magnesium 54, cobalt 57, carbon 14 get consumed in biological system. Radiation actually affects the soil and soil fertility. These radiation kill the plant species also. So this is one. Can anyone tell that effects of modern agrotechnology, effects of the modern agrotechnology का इसमें इफेक्ट क्या है सॉइल पे? सॉइल पोल्यूशन की हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं कि क्या इम्पैक्ट है, इफेक्ट्स है. तो हम एक मॉडर्न एग्रो टेक्नोलॉजी जिसके बिना अब एग्रीकल्चर संभव नहीं है, उसके डिमेरिट्स क्या है, उसके इफेक्ट्स क्या हैं? अमीशा.
Sir, using maybe the fertilizers or pesticides which are inorganic, so they can impact the soil quality, make it acidic or basic.
Something else by anyone? ठीक है, कुछ कोई और बताएगा? क्या बात है कि मैं किसी को पर्टिकुलर नाम लेता हूं तब वो आंसर देता है, ऐसे कोई इसे बाध्यता नहीं है. देयर इज नो कंपल्सन कि हम केवल एक का नाम लें या दो का नाम लें या तीन का नाम लें, उसी से पूछते रहें. एनीवन वॉलंटरी कैन कम एंड रिप्लाई. अनन्या पाटिल.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea the effects of the modern agrotechnology, and you tell with example?
Sir, effects of modern technologies on the, like many advanced techniques are used for to prevent the soil pollutions, and many other advanced equipments are also used.
Like? One modern agriculture equipment, just tell machines that I would like to mention here, rotavator. And due to the process of rotavator, earthworms are killed and the fertility is lost. You know that earthworms are very much useful and beneficial for maintaining the fertility. This point is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the rotavator is a machine, and then besides that, the potassium fertilizers in the soil decrease the valuable nutrient and carotene in the vegetables and fruits. Excessive use of nitrogen, as Amisha has already replied, nitrogenous fertilizers in the land leads to accumulation of nitrate in the soil. Phosphate fertilizer is considered detrimental to the crop production. If you are using the excessive use of the, excessive application or use of the phosphate fertilizer, it is detrimental to crop production. Cereal crops like jowar, maize grown on the alkaline soil absorbs higher amounts of fluorides and are responsible for the spread of the fluorosis. So if you are knowing that the water quality, groundwater quality is fluoride affected in any area, or soil is having the concentration of the high fluoride, immediately you should not grow jowar, maize, okay, because they absorb fluoride very much, and during the food chain, process of the food chain, a person can have the higher intake of the fluoride, and which is responsible for the molting of teeth and skeletal fluorosis. तो कभी कभी ऐसा भी पाया जाता है कि जैसे कहीं ग्राउंड वाटर में या वाटर में पोल्यूशन नहीं है, फ्लोराइड का देखने में मिलता है, 1.5 से ppm से ज्यादा अधिक नहीं है. But even in that area, molting of teeth occurs. What may be the reason? The reason is this only. क्योंकि हमारे फूड चेन से फूड ग्रेन्स के माध्यम से हमारे शरीर में जा रहा है, इसलिए therefore it is also a cause of the fluorosis. पेस्टिसाइड्स का उपयोग मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी का तो क्या कर रहे आजकल, क्या उपाय है इसका? अमीशा, अगेन द क्वेश्चंस टू यू. What are the remedial measures? What are the solutions?
So for what exactly? The pollute
Soil
the
pollution.
fertilizers.
No. In general,
Okay,
soil
so-
pollution को कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं?
Sir, according to me, I think practicing a sustainable form of agriculture practice is important. Like some cultures basically have this shifting agriculture thing where they basically cut the crops after a harvest season and then burn the soil. So that is something that impacts, and I think crop rotation also can help if we talk
Very
about
good.
agricultural perspective.
Very good, Amisha. Something else you can add?
Sir, I think waste management, as far as the urban waste management is considered, then having communities that actually collect the waste and segregate it is important. And the landmines, which are basically created, the dump yards, they should be regularly cleaned.
Very good. Besides these points, someone can add something?
Organic farming.
Organic farming. Very good.
Sir,
Organic. हाँ.
so using hydroponics is also a good way of producing the vegetables.
Hydroponics.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by it?
Sir, it's basically like growing the vegetables and other crops using the water.
वेरी गुड. हाइड्रोफोनिक. चलो देखो, यही होता है डिस्कशन से फायदा कि बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकता है टर्म्स ना पता हो या बहुत सारे रेफरेंस ना पता हो, यार इसी यही डिस्कशन का फायदा है. इसीलिए मैं आपसे इंटरेक्ट करता हूं और आई ट्राई ऑलवेज टू गेट इन्वॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास. आपको बहुत पहले सभी को बोला था कि once you are going to reply or ask the question or even नहीं, even हम भी पूछें तो कभी भी रिप्लाई करो, you turn on your camera. बहुत पहले बोला था, but nobody is doing like that. अभी तक हमने सभी स्टूडेंट्स के चेहरे तक भी नहीं देखे हैं. सोचिए, क्लास इज गोइंग टू बी फिनिश्ड. कब है कैलेंडर का लास्ट टाइम? अकॉर्डिंग टू एकेडमिक कैलेंडर, व्हाट इज द लास्ट डेट फॉर द क्लास?
10th September.
10th. देन भारत कुमार कब होगा ये काम?
कल करते हैं सर.
कल आपका क्लास है? कल मेरी क्लास है आपकी?
Let me check sir.
नहीं है. अमीशा कल है क्लास?
No sir.
No, sir.
फिर
No class.
फिर तो कल ऐसा बोलोगे जब क्लास ना हो तो फिर कहोगे कल करेंगे. देयर इज नो टुमारो.
Sir, maybe on Sunday. Sorry, Monday.
हाँ, मंडे कर लेंगे. मंडे आपकी क्लास है ना?
Yes sir.
मंडे करेंगे और फिर कुछ बचेगा तो अलग से कर लेंगे. बट माय पॉइंट इज टू फिनिश द सिलेबस आल्सो बिसाइड्स दैट. सो लेट मी डिस्कस other things under the pollutants, as I mentioned, and you people are also supplementing it, like biological source of the pollution, pathogenic organisms, pathogenic by animals, pathogenic organisms created by the man, pathogenic organisms occurring naturally in the contaminated soil, then the chemical and metallic pollutants, farm waste, okay, pesticides, fertilizers, agriculture practices. There is a flaw in the agriculture practices that is also responsible for the soil pollution. Like, can anyone tell which type of agriculture practices is responsible for soil pollution? ये तो बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है अमीशा.
Sir, I said shifting agriculture is responsible in one of my answers.
Okay, नहीं, my question is which agriculture practices is responsible for the pollution? soil pollution?
Sir, I think that some communities in the Northeast probably have a kind of agriculture thing where they basically burn the soil after. It's called slash and burn, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay.
But that is responsible because after burning the soil, all its nutrients are they're not present anymore. So it is very limited, and the area used is also very much for the agriculture. So that can be detrimental for soil.
Good. So in the soil, I think it is enough means under three head. What is the soil? What is the soil pollution? What are the polluted soil pollutants? How we can remove the soil pollution? These major you can aspects have been covered, and you should also try to explain whenever you are required to explain under these heads only. What is the soil pollution? Why the soil pollution is threats to our country? As I mentioned in the beginning, India is agriculture dominant country. Soil is the one of the most important natural resource to be sustained, to be conserved, to be free from pollution, contamination. Okay, so all these. If something is left, let me check. The pollution, the phenomena or the process, rather process, if you see for the soil pollution, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड एडजॉर्प्शन बोथ सॉइल पोल्यूशन दोनों तरह से होता है. एक तो सरफेस सॉइल के सरफेस पे कोई कंटामिनेंट्स जैसे हैवी मेटल्स या फाइन ग्रेन्ड एमार्फस सब्सटेंस कोई चिपक जाए, उस पे बैठ जाए, that is called adsorption. While if it is trapped in a intergranular spaces of the soil, then it is called absorption. So by mining activities, by soluble salts, by waste added to the soil, by solid waste applied to the soil, by food processing waste, by sugar cane trash in field, by municipal garbage and compost. So all these are responsible for the soil pollution. अगर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट प्रॉपर हो जाए तो सॉइल पोल्यूशन कैन बी डिग्रेडेड. एंड एग्रीकल्चर मैनेजमेंट, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड एग्रीकल्चर मैनेजमेंट यदि दो अच्छे से हो जाए तो इंडिया विल बी इन ए वेरी गुड पोजीशन और बेटर पोजीशन एज फार एज सॉइल पोल्यूशन इज कंसर्न. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
The faulty sanitation process is also responsible for the soil pollution. Means what the World Health Organization explained about it. The control of those factors in man's physical environment which exercise or may exercise a deleterious effect on the his physical development, health, and survival. Faulty methods of sanitation cause soil or land pollution. The soil conservation depends upon the proper use of methods of checking soil pollution. As I mentioned, the health card is the one aspect. As a result of faulty sanitation methods, we should use methods for efficient collections, removal, and disposal of solid waste. As I mentioned many times, that the proper management, proper removal, proper, you can say, taking care of the either process management or super management. So, any question, any doubt?
Sir,
मिल गया. हाँ, बोलो.
Sir, you were just talking about the soil pollution, the type of cultivation which cause soil pollution. So, sir, I was asking that some communities cultivate in every season, like winter, summer, and rainy season. In every season, some communities cultivate. So, sir, that can be a part of soil pollution.
What is the answer, Amisha?
Sir, I really don't know. Like, it depends. Like, if it affects the soil in the negative way, then it may. I'm not sure. It depends on the type of crops that are basically cultivated.
Yeah, that is not going to contaminate, Bharat Kumar. The cropping during the rainy season, if a proper crop is planted or it is grown in a rainy season also, it is not going to contaminate. But the applications of the foreign materials, foreign का मतलब विदेश से नहीं है यहाँ, बाहरी, foreign materials is a source of chemicals or physical contamination, then it can create the problem. Otherwise, only you can say the plantation or growing the seeds during the rainy season or growing the plants, it is not going to create the pollution.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Anyone? Anything? Acid rain is also responsible for the natural, it is a natural cause, acid rains, which can pollute the soil. So if I ask and summarize, the soil loss causes poor growth of the crops, as you are very much aware about it. Course of river changes with the deposition of the sediments. It is the mechanical process again. Silting up of dams decreases storage capacity of the dams. It is not coming under pollution, but it is certainly degradation. Seasonal flow of rivers and flooding varies with effects management practices. Soil का ही responsibility है इसकी, but it is all these are coming under the degradation. But the pollution जो हमने mainly focus किया है इस पे chemicals पे दो diagrams के through बताया है, और what are the constituents of the soil, how they are becoming in under the imbalance. So these are the problems. Control of soil pollution, the pollution protection of the soil from the impact of the rainfall, as I mentioned, acid rain से increase in the infiltration of the rainwater to prevent water from concentrating, means the water logging. Water logging should be avoided. It should be minimum. Increase the infiltration of the rainwater, because if the rainwater percolates to the soil is again going to be rejuvenated. Okay. Increase in the soil resistance, that to increase the size of soil particles. अगर soil की size particles थोड़ा ठीक ठाक रहती हैं, जैसे कि again and again if you are plowing the agriculture field, then the soil grain size is maintained and permeability is also maintained of the soil. Okay, so all these are there. Is there any questions from your side?
Sir,
Yeah.
so can you share the PDF of Jaiswal and Jaiswal book?
PDF of?
So Jaiswal and Jaiswal book.
जायसवाल नहीं बेटा, देशवाल एंड देशवाल है.
हाँ, yes,
आथर का बुक के आथर का नाम है देशवाल एंड देशवाल, और ये है ए बेसिक कोर्स इन इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज बाय एस देशवाल एंड ए देशवाल, पब्लिशर श्री धनपत राय एंड कंपनी, है ना. ये
Yes,
देशवाल
sir.
देशवाल है. भारत कुमार, यू हैव पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस बुक?
No, sir.
Anyone is having? Someone is having, Amisha?
No, sir, I don't have the PDF.
Sir, someone in the D1 group, I think they have.
Yeah.
I asked, sir.
Yeah. Someone is having, and in the A group is also they are having. So it is good request received from the कौन बोला था, Aditi Verma.
Yes, sir.
That PDF should be uploaded of the entire book so that you can see. क्योंकि हार्ड कॉपी तो नहीं है ना बेटा आप लोगों के पास, कि है
नहीं
इस
सर,
किताब
वो
की?
खरीदते नहीं है हम लोग जनरली.
है?
हार्ड कॉपी तो नहीं होगी सर.
हेलो.
Sir, he is saying hard copy is not available with him.
हाँ, तो इसलिए आप जो है पीडीएफ की व्यवस्था हम कर देते हैं इसकी, डोंट वरी. भारत कुमार?
Yes, sir.
भारत कुमार,
So yes, sir.
are you listening me?
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay, so it is the responsibility is I am giving to you to circulate the PDF of this book, arrange the PDF and circulate among the students of your group. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, Deshwal and Deshwal.
Deshwal, S Deshwal and A Deshwal, and the book title is A Basic Course in Environmental Studies. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in the next term, I hope and firmly believe that Bharat Kumar will circulate or will have at least the PDF form of this book, and everybody will get benefit out of it. Okay, thank you very much. You can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.